Sichuan Chenanhui Technology Company Limited, established in 2021, is a professional engaged in the sale and service of orthopedic implants, hospital furniture, and other medical instruments. Our technical and sales team has rich industry experience and a deep understanding of orthopedics and medical products. We are located in Chengdu City, Sichuan Province, which is a major transportation hub in Western China with convenient transportation. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. Our products are also exported to clients in such regions as Europe, America, Asia, Africa. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. We promise to provide products with absolute reliable quality and top speed, guarantees you to receive products in time, and satisfies you to develop yourself by OEM. And we can give you products with affordable price and perfect quality directly, and eliminates intermediate links and leaves more space to you. We firmly believe that only brand quality and service are the motive power of company development. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. We welcome new and regular customers from all over the world to contact us to establish business relationships and achieve mutual success.